Aishwarya, we are getting a statement by Kiren Rijiju right now. Let's listen to it.
और हम सब, प्रधानमंत्री जी और हम सब, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन श्री राहुल गांधी का स्पीच सुनने के लिए हम लोग बैठे हैं। लेकिन शुरू से ही राहुल गांधी जी रूल नहीं मानते हुए जिस किताब का पब्लिकेशन, उसका ऑथेंटिसिटी का बारे में कुछ वहां क्लियर नहीं बताते हुए कोट करने शुरू किया, तो रक्षा मंत्री ने भी कहा, हम सब ने कहा कि सदन जो है नियम से चलेगा और नियम के तहत अपना बात को रखना चाहिए। स्पीकर ने रूलिंग दिया, रूल 349 के तहत कोई भी मैगजीन, किताब या कोई भी पब्लिकेशन का जब तक आप ऑथेंटिक नहीं करते हैं या उस चर्चा से संबंधित नहीं है, चर्चा नहीं कर सकते। रूलिंग दे दिया। अब जब चेयर से रूलिंग देता है तो फाइनल होता है और चेयर को हम चैलेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं। लोकसभा स्पीकर के रूलिंग के बाद राहुल गांधी जी बार बार सेम गलती दोहराया जा रहा है। स्पीकर साहब ने फिर से उनको कहा कि व्यवस्था बना दिया गया है, रूलिंग हो चुका है, अब आगे बढ़िए।
And now it seems that the BJP has launched a blistering attack on Rahul Gandhi because of his continuous insistence to speak on certain issue. BJP has attacked Rahul Gandhi and said that Rahul is an incorrigible liar. They're calling him a liar and they're attacking Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition. BJP is saying that Rahul is propagating hostile narrative. They have posted on their social media and they have said that Rahul Gandhi is an incorrigible liar who is misusing parliamentary privilege to propagate a hostile narrative against India and its armed forces. BJP is accusing Rahul Gandhi of all these things. In fact, the Post continues to say that the former Army Chief General M.M. Naravane has categorically stated not an inch has been lost. It continues to say that facts matter, institutions matter, and so does responsibility in public life. So these are the accusations that are coming in towards Rahul Gandhi. And let's listen to what exactly there is a. Let's listen to the reaction of General Naravane. Let's listen in.
Firstly, we have not lost out on any territory. We are where we were before this whole thing started. But as a result of this agreement, it has been leased on the principle of mutual and equal security. So I think that should be the way we look at this whole disengagement process, that it serves the interests of both countries to have a very stable LAC and with less chances of any confrontation taking place. That should be the larger viewpoint that we take.
And not an inch has been lost.
Not an inch has been lost, that's right. Approaching this whole issue in a step-by-step manner. So the initial step was, of course, the disengagement, which I've just talked about. For future rounds of talks will continue. And I'm sure that through these talks, we will be able to narrow down our differences and arrive at a acceptable solution. Once again, based on mutual and equal security, and which is acceptable to both sides.
Okay, so you just saw, this is an old statement that was made by General Naravane when he was the Chief of Army Staff and that entire issue had risen. So this has been posted now by the BJP to pinpoint what they are saying. That is that the General himself at that point of time had said that not an inch of India's land has been lost to China. This is what the BJP is saying, and they are accusing Rahul Gandhi of propagating a hostile narrative. On the other hand, Rahul Gandhi is trying to bring out certain excerpts that have been published multiple times, in fact, since if you look at it, PTI had given out these excerpts of these books way back in 2023. And since then, they have been published multiple times in many portals, web portals and news portals. And Rahul Gandhi was now trying to bring it out after it's been published in Caravan. And he was saying that in this magazine, there are certain things which have been said by General Narvane in his book, and they have been quoted there. Okay, let's listen to what exactly General Narvane had said to our sister concern Lalan Top when he was speaking to us.
देखने वाली बात यह है कि 1979 के बाद पहली बार चाइना का कोई नुकसान हुआ है और इतने सालों से 79 से लेकर 2020 तक लगातार वो अपने जो छोटे पड़ोसी देश हैं उनके साथ ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती करता आया है और इस ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती में उनका बिना कोई नुकसान पहुँचे जो वो करना चाहते हैं वो उन्होंने किया है। जैसे हम कहते हैं बुली, तो नेबरहुड बुली के तौर पर वो करते गए जो उन्हें पहली बार उनको झटका लगा, तो वो झटका 4 का हो या 40 का हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। लेकिन पहले बार उनको पता चला कि ये जो उनकी रणनीति है कि धीरे धीरे हम जो मर्जी करना है करते रहेंगे और कोई हमारा विरोध नहीं करेगा, ये उनको धक्का बहुत जोर का पड़ा।
Okay, so you just heard the general, the former chief of army staff, speaking while he was promoting his book. He was speaking with our sister concern. And let's cut back to what Rahul Gandhi is saying.
आपका आधार नहीं है कोई आरोप लगाने का, उस पर क्या कहेंगे? क्या लगता है सरकार? अरे इधर आओ, कोई इधर आओ।
See, this government has a problem with the person who said India has a tryst with destiny. Now they have a problem with the person who's written the book 4